Okay, hello. Good night, everybody. So I just get back to my room here. A bit messy actually. I need to do my workout after this. So today is 9 December. So I decide to make a vlog of my research activity. I want to maybe do it every day because it is a vlog. Or somehow I have this idea to make a vlog of my research works in university. Currently, I'm working in University Technology Malaysia as a postdoctoral researcher. So I do a lot of research on climatology. Actually, I will describe myself as a hydroclimatologist, but a lot of my work is actually involved with climatology and climate change. So today, I have made some progress. Always a progress. I try to make always a progress for my research. So at the top of my list of my research right now is I need to complete this major revision for this hydrological modeling using HMS. So there is major revision. This paper has been submitted to Journal of Natural Hazards. I think that paper is Q2 journal. So I need to finish it before 22 January. So by this week and next week I must finish it as soon as possible, because on 18 January we need to go to Port Dickson, and then blah blah blah, so many things to do. When we go to Port Dickson, I don't think I will manage to do any this major revision. So before I go to Port Dickson on 18 January, I need to finish this uh, major revision for hydraulical modeling on Kota Tinggi flood in 2005 and 2006. So we make a hydraulical modeling, flood modeling on Kota Tinggi. So using HEC-RAS, it's a combination of model. We combine the 2D hydrological model with 1D hydrological model so that we can flood the area that is flooded during the very big flood event in Johor at that time in 2005. 2005, 6, I think 2007 and 2008. Can't remember anymore. I will check that later because I haven't touched that major revision for quite some time. Not long time, quite some time, because I need to finish other stuff also. So but that one is the top of my priority. And there's another research is the second one is right now I'm try to finish my research on imputation method on rainfall time series, daily rainfall in Johor River Basin. There is a 21 station in Johor River Basin, and I try to check which imputation method is good enough to make for to handle missing data in uh, the rainfall time series, because in rainfall data there is always missing data in the rainfall time series. There are many reasons for missing data. It can be human error, it can be natural disaster, breakdown of equipment, or something like that. So somehow there is a missing value in the rainfall when we monitor the rainfall. So we need to somehow fill that missing value, but there is a lot of method to handle missing data. So I try to use MICE package, MICE package, which is a multiple imputation method. So inside that MICE package there is also a lot of method. There is 22 method that I think that I use. 22 method. I need to find which method is the best. So there is a lot of statistical performance analysis to see which method is the best for to input missing data in rainfall time series. So I'm using a daily time series from 1970 to 2015. But so far I find out that linear regression predicted value is the best method to fill the missing data. So first I generate this missing data in the rainfall time series. I generate up to 5%, 10%, 20%, and 30%. I think something like that. So I want to assess which method can fill missing data very well and compare 22 method. So I already generate missing data, and to generate missing data also there is three type of missing data. There is MAR, missing at random, MCAR, missing completely at random, and MNAR, missing not at random. So I use this generate the missing data for these three type of missingness, and then based on these three type of missingness, I generate 5% up to 5% missing data, and 10%, 20%, and 30%, and for 22 stations. So each station 5%, 22, 15%, 10%, 22, 21 station, 15, 20% missing data, 22 station. So you can see this massive amount of data that I need to handle to generate the missing data, and I have finished that one. So it's okay. I create a code, I find a code, and I customize it and to use for myself in my research. So somehow magically I managed to do that one by myself. Just Google. Thank you, Google, and the people that put some tutorial up there, but still need a lot of customization for all this to generate missing data. Right now I'm at the stage of impute the data for missing value for MAR and MNAR. I already complete the MCAR, so it's okay. So that two type of missingness I need to impute, and that take a lot of time for my computer to run this R code. I still left it in my office to run 5%. Yeah, I hope I can finish it as soon as possible. Tomorrow I will write a longer code, I think, to completely finish, to make sure that my laptop will finish run 10%, 20%, and 30% for MAR. And then when it finish, and then I will create another code for 5%, 10%, 20%, and 30% for MNAR, missing data. So I hope it will take only 4 days. I hope 4 days, and that computer will work 24/7. And at the same time, I need to do major revision by using the same laptop. Oh, I hope my laptop will not lagging so much. I test this today, so it's not lagging. Somehow it's managed to. I managed to double task to make sure that there is the code will run at the background, and at the same time I write something. I was able to write something, so it's okay. So this paper, after I fill all the missing value and I select the best method, and then I will do a test the method, maybe just 30% missingness to see if each method give a different trend analysis for rainfall, so that we know if we use the right method, the trend analysis will be correct for that area. So that is the idea. After that trend analysis is very easy, it's very fast. When we run the code, I will use man candle and modify main candle test. And then 15, I need to finish this also before 15 January, because I want to submit one as oral presenter. I need to complete my presentation slide and send it to secretariat for conference of RCCE and SDG 2022. So I have like 5 days to do that one. Pray that I will be managed to finish that one. But actually I have all the preliminary result, but I'm not satisfied. I want to have more concrete result, so that when doing the presentation I can submit it. Or somehow I can email the secretariat maybe they can extend it for me for another 5 days, 20 January, to submit the presentation slide, but it's okay. So that is the second. So the deadline is all approaching. And then the third one is I want to extract the GCM data. So I have download the GCM CMIP6 from the website for CMIP6 for rainfall, daily rainfall. So I managed to download 17 GCM. It's a very huge data set because it is a climate change data set. CMIP6 is a global data. So each all the resolution is 100 kilometer less than one, not less than 100 kilometer, 100 kilometer and less than 100 kilometer resolution, spatial resolution. So I have managed to download the rainfall, R1, I1, P1, F1, and yeah, that's it. Managed to 17 GCM, but actually it should be 19 GCM, but somehow 2 GCM is not able to be downloaded. When I try to click it, it's not coming out. It cannot be downloaded. So I just use 17 GCM. Yeah, very successful for that one. I'm also surprised that I managed to download that one. But the problem is because it is a very huge data set, so I'm running out of space for my laptop hard disk. I don't have enough hard disk. I will try to explore some of my hard disk on, or delete some of unnecessary stuff in my laptop. Yeah, it's not unnecessary stuff in my laptop because there's a lot of stuff in my laptop. It's keep increasing, and including some of my GoPro video. When I go somewhere place, I need to upload that as soon as possible as well, because otherwise new video will keep piling in my laptop. So I need to finish editing all that video. Maybe tomorrow I will bring my laptop in the hostel also, or maybe tomorrow I will edit some video and upload it. We will see. I hope the space in my laptop is good enough, because last 2 days I have left my laptop to run to extract the GCM for Johor River Basin, and somehow it stopped running, and I see that my C drive is running out of space. I think that is why it stopped running. So I need to clear more stuff. My C drive is already red in color. I need to transfer some of this stuff, delete some of many stuff there, and I have a better management of data in my laptop, or transfer it to my external hard disk. I have Prof. Zulkifli also give me some external hard disk, but that is one for desktop. But I need to find or buy this external connector for that one, so that I can transfer all the data into that external hard disk. That's the plan. But to extract that data set also, I need to do that as soon as possible, if possible. Before February, I will manage to extract for Johor River Basin. I want to extract for Majalaya also, and Majalaya is the most important one. And somehow that code is not managed. I think it not managed to extract for latitude that is negative, which is below the equator. Johor River Basin is positive one, is at the north of the equator. It's extract very well, but when it's below the equator, somehow the code doesn't work. Maybe I will meet Prof. Samsudin to discuss with him that one also. Yeah, that one also. Maybe after I get back from Port Dickson, I will try to manage that one, and I try to do as much as I can before the meeting tomorrow, because tomorrow I have a meeting with my research partner from Greenwich University and University of Bandung. So we need to discuss the progress of the research. So my part is on climate change. So I have make analysis for that paper, that is for flood and future projection by using HMS also actually, but my part is more on climate change. So I want to see flood modeling in term future projection of in Majalaya. So I have extract the CHIPS dataset from 1981 to 2020, make trend analysis. There is no significant change actually for annual time series, but I found that there is a daily significant change, a daily rainfall. When it's come to daily rainfall analysis, I found that there is a increasing trend of daily rainfall in Majalaya, but that might be the factor that why there is a increasing flood in Majalaya. The same thing with Johor River Basin. There is not much of a increasing of annual trend or seasonal trend, but when we run a daily rainfall, we see that there is a pattern of increasing daily rainfall. So in 1 year, there is more there with rainfall. Doesn't matter it's high rainfall or low rainfall, but there is more there with rainfall. So that might be the reason there is more rain in Malaysia or in Indonesia that causing a flood. So that is very simple analysis actually, but very significant. So that is for Majalaya research. Yeah, tomorrow I will discuss with my research partner in Greenwich University and in University of Bandung by using Google Meet. And yeah, we need to complete our abstract tomorrow and submit it to EGU for a conference or EGU General Assembly in Vienna, Austria. So we are planning to go to Vienna on April, inshallah, if there is nothing, COVID and stuff. If everything going as planned, we will go to Vienna on April and present our research. So that I try to go as far as I can in that research, but it's depend on my laptop. If I have a very powerful laptop, I can manage it very fast, but I need to wait for my laptop to run all this code. It's take quite some time. You see, if I have 17 GCM, 1 GCM is one night. So if I left my laptop there for maybe 10 days, after that it will finish extracting all the data. And I cannot just left my laptop like that, because everything I need to do is on that laptop. So I need to set up my laptop every day. So after works, after office, I need to set it up so that it will run overnight, and tomorrow it finish, and then run again until 17 GCM is being extracted. So the plan is to select the best GCM that can simulate daily rainfall in Majalaya, or I think I will just use a statistical performance analysis, and using PDF, or just using this one, what we call this, PDF and Taylor diagram. I think it's Taylor diagram. Taylor diagram, and by using PDF, probability distribution function, just to see which GCM can best simulate the local climate in Majalaya. Okay, that is, I think, the third one. Second, I lost count already. Oh yeah, that is the third one. Now the fourth one. What is the fourth one? I need to upload the data, spatial data, and all the dataset, primary dataset and secondary dataset, to our platform in Wahuda and Fleur for GCRF. So I need to prepare all this map. There is problem with uploading GeoTIFF dataset to this platform of Wahuda. I think when I discussed with one of my friend about this one, how to upload all of this dataset. His name is Wafi. Wafi is a very good guy, very cool, very smart on all this mapping, everything. There is some problem with the platform Wahuda itself, because it's not very friendly to download a certain dataset. So somehow I need to find out how to upload the data, and 2 or 3 days ago discussed with Wafi, and then we managed to upload the data after we classify the data first in ArcGIS, and then the shape file, we reclassify it first in ArcGIS, and then convert it into GeoTIFF by using QGIS. Only then we can upload the data, but still it somehow we already managed to upload it into Wahuda, but there's still some issue with the legend and everything. So that is also I need to finish if possible before before 13 January. So I think that is the priority right now, maybe, but that one I can finish quite fast. I think I will do that one on 11 or 12 January. I will try to finish uploading all that dataset. So that is some of my research, that the priority research that I need to do. And there is another research with my colleague also, with Dr. Muhammad Khairul Idlan. So we want to make a climate zone for Peninsula Malaysia and Borneo by using this data, ERA 5 dataset, graded dataset. So very good resolution, 0.01 I think. So there will be a lot of data also. We need to extract that one. Yeah, somehow we need to do that one. And there is another one also with Zahir. I need to complete, I think, what paper? I think that one is also a future projection for climate zone in Borneo by using CMIP6. So that's why I need to extract the GCM dataset so that I can post it also with that paper. I need to finish that one before March, not before March, before 31st March, something like that. So I have 2 months to finish that one is Q1 paper. I try to finish that one. So that is more or less what I need to do, and I have submitted the paper writing from KSCE journal to what is in the next step for one paper that I have accepted for publication. It is under publication process right now in KSCE Journal of Civil Engineering. So I'm waiting for the reply right now, so that the paper to proceed with all the payment, everything, so that I can the paper will be published maybe in 1 or 2 weeks. So, and then there is another paper, trend analysis with Idlan. I don't know what happened with that paper also. And Idlan also have submitted some abstract with my name also co-author on that evapotranspiration trend in Peninsula Malaysia. And yeah, what else? There's a lot of works, and then there is also research with Cindy, Dr. Cindy, on Dr. Cindy and Dr. AJ from Net UK, from Newcastle University. So we need to make interview with the expert. We call it expert elucidation. So that one also we need to arrange some time, make a schedule, and then yeah, meet the expert on climatology to understand the climate variability and climate influence in Peninsula Malaysia and in Johor, so that we can understand how the global climate influence the local climate in Malaysia and Johor River Basin. I think that's all that I have managed to gather in my mind right now. There's this kind of stuff keep eating in my mind. The deadline is always approaching for everything, and yeah, I need to blast. No, that one. Maybe I will not tell you here. This is not really about research, but it's other stuff. Okay, I think that's all for the update on my research for today. So see you tomorrow. So this is the update on 9 January. Tomorrow I will update on 10 January. I will try to upload this video as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you again. If you have any idea for research or anything about research, collaboration or whatever, just let me know. Thank you.